guys, it's me, Jack from Sally's Clay. I'm going to show you how to use your texture laser papers. If you haven't already, check out my previous video on how to condition your laser papers ready for metal clay use. All tools that I'm using are linked down below. I'm using the CoolSlip from Cool Tools to basically cover everything with a thin layer of oil, which is going to stop my clay from sticking to any of my tools, including the laser paper. So I'm going to roll my clay out to 1 mil thick originally, and then once I have flattened that down so that it's not moving, I'm going to swap out to a 0.75 or 3 cards thick. I place the clay on top of the laser sheet, and then I use the rolling pin to roll over. I start in the middle and I go one way and then I go back over the other way. As we've used the CoolSlip, your clay should just peel off and reveal the beautiful texture underneath. The design of the sheet is called Leaf Skeleton, and I'm fancying to make sort of a chunky stud, so I'm using a circle cutter size 20 mil. Having good clay cutters is a game changer when working with metal clay. Any clay that's left over, I'm going to wrap it up and store it in my airtight container for next time. Now it's time for these to dry. Once these are dry, it's now time to clean up all the edges with some sanding pads. I'm going to start at 800 and then swap out to 1000 and then finish on the 1500 grit. My last step before firing is taking a damp wet wipe and going around all of the edges. What I find that it does, it removes any of sort of the micro dust particles that you can't really see with your eye. And also it just gives the piece a beautiful smoothness all over. And it really does elevate the piece. I'm going to fire all of my pieces by the kiln. With some clays, you can use the torch, but as you can see, I'm bulk firing and the kiln works brilliant for this. As you can see, it's so hot inside. I'm not actually near this. I'm very far away and I've zoomed in with the camera. So there's no sort of danger. I remove them from the kiln once they're cooled, and here they are. I'm going to finish them by attaching posts and giving them a patina and a soft brush back. And then here is the final results. And we can't forget a close-up because we have to absolutely admire this texture. It is so beautiful. I really hope that you've liked watching this, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!